What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Clash of Clans on all devices, especially if you think your account is logged in somewhere it shouldn't be. First, open Clash of Clans on a device where you still have access to the account. From the main screen, tap Settings, then tap Supercell ID. Inside the Supercell ID menu, tap the gear icon to open Supercell ID settings. Here, you'll see an option to log out. When you log out of Supercell ID on this device, the game disconnects the account from that device. Now, to effectively sign out all devices, you need to take one extra step. Go to Settings, then Help and Support, and tap the blue message bubble in the top right corner to contact Supercell support. Tell them you want to secure your account and sign out all active sessions. If needed, they can force log your account out everywhere. If you have account protection enabled, this is even easier. Changing your Supercell ID email or resetting account access through support will automatically invalidate existing sessions and log the account out from other devices. Once everything is done, log back in only on the device you trust using your Supercell ID verification code. This assures you're the only one with access moving forward. And that's it. That's how you sign out of Clash of Clans on all devices and fully secure your account. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.